To install the Adobe Creative Cloud apps, you can start off by going to adobe.com. Down at the bottom, there's a link under Products for Creative Cloud. When you click on that, it takes you to adobe.com/creativecloud.html. From here, you'll click on Sign In. From here, you'll click on Continue with Google. Here, you'll choose your school Google account. Make sure you do Enterprise ID because this is a school account. From here, you should be able to open up Creative Cloud. From inside of Creative Cloud, you want to find the applications you want to install. And then from here, you should be able to install any of the applications that you would like. So if I go to Photoshop CC and click Install, it should launch the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and start installing. So if I click the Open button here, that should prompt you to install the Creative Cloud desktop app. Once that app is installed, all of the apps that you have installed have options for open and uninstall if you'd like to. Stuff that you have not installed, you can just click the install button and it will install.